Welcome to this quick guide on marking a channel as read on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you're juggling a lot of channels, staying on top of your messages is essential, and this simple trick helps you keep the clutter under control. First, open WhatsApp web and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen where your chat list lives. You'll notice a row of icons at the top of that panel. Click on the channel icon to open your channels. This is the hub where all your channel conversations are organized, making it easy to manage what you've already seen versus what's new. With the channels panel open, scan through the list to locate the channel you want to mark as read. You'll want to pick the one that has an unread badge or bold text indicating there's new activity. Selecting the right channel ensures you're marking exactly what you need to clear. Now comes the action part. Write. Click on the channel you've chosen. A contextual menu will appear with several options tailored to that channel. From this menu, click on Mark as Read. This action will reset the unread indicator for that channel, signaling that you've acknowledged the latest messages even if you haven't opened every single post inside. If you're managing multiple channels, repeat these steps for any others that still show unread counts. This keeps your channel list tidy and helps you focus on messages that actually require your attention. It's especially handy after a busy morning or when you're catching up after a long meeting. A quick tip: if you ever notice the mark as read option isn't appearing, make sure you're selecting the channel itself and not a specific message. Sometimes the context menu can default to message level actions, so a small adjustment to your selection makes all the difference. That's all there is to marking a channel as read on WhatsApp web on PC after the latest update. Clear, straightforward, and time-saving. It's a small habit that pays off with a cleaner workspace and less distraction. If you found this helpful, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more practical WhatsApp tips.